Hello and namaskar friends. Today we will learn about oxyacetylene welding. At the end of this video, you will be able to apply principles of oxyacetylene welding and explore ICT principles of learning by dialogue, learning by doing, learning by interactions, and learning by extension of resources. Oxyacetylene welding is a process of joining heat by combustion of gases, generally with the use of filler metals. The flame temperature is up to 3500 degrees and it is useful for steel and brass. In this figure, the black is oxygen cylinder and the red is acetylene cylinder. The cylinder is packed with porous materials and filled around 50% capacity of acetone. Acetylene is soluble in acetone and kept at 250 psi pressure. This process uses the filler rod. Now take 60 seconds and write reflection spot questions in your dedicated notebook for this subject called course journal. The answer is C2H2 and the reactions are primary C2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2CO plus H2 plus heat and secondary CO plus H2 plus O2 gives rise to CO2 plus H2O plus heat including water vapors. Three types of flames resulted in this process. The first is oxidizing where oxygen is more than acetylene. This flame is having highest temperature out of other flames. The second is neutral. Third flame is carburizing where acetylene is more than oxygen. This table shows types of fillers, rod materials used for corresponding metals to be welded and flux materials used for materials to be welded. Flux can be dry powders or paste form and infused with welding to avoid reaction with oxygen and formatting oxides. The advantage is the process is versatile with low cost. However, this process faces larger HZ in welding. There are three questions as mentioned in LBD. Write LBD in your course journal and get a check from faculty. Explore additional learning resources or learning beyond the syllabus. Interact with other students about how to draw sketches and what are principles of oxyacetylene welding. Thank you and happy learning.